Hey, you're watching the next one with me, Dustin. Look, it's a G Shock. This is one of the most common G Shocks out there, actually. This is so common, I have to look at the back. This is a GWM5610 G Shock watch made in Thailand, sold here in the United States. It is a solar-powered multi-band 6 digital watch. That means that it communicates with ground-based radio stations every night at midnight when it can to sync with world clocks that are atomic clocks. So this is technically the most accurate watch out there. Accurate. Some would say it cheats a little bit because, yeah, it's relying on an external radio to keep time, but even without that, it wins. It's quartz. So I think it's pretty neat. This in itself is a great watch. It's very light. It's actually not that thick for a G Shock. It's a classic square. It's the same design they've had since like '83, I think. It feels good on the wrist, and it's just awesome. I love it. But it can be even better if you go on AliExpress and order this, which is a titanium band and case for my G Shock. Let's open it up. I may have to bring it off camera here. Oh. It's the first time I've opened it up. Let's see what it is. Wow, nice box. It's not labeled. Kidding. Look, some nice clips there. Piece of foam. Ooh, titanium. Wow, this is really nice. Holy moly, that's nice. This is a titanium. I'm losing my voice, but wow. This is really nice. First impressions, obviously, I'm going gaga over it. It's extremely well made. It feels like titanium. It looks like titanium. It says titanium. Now, I'm not going to put it through a mass spectrograph. I'm not going to burn it up to see if it totally is titanium, but it's titanium. And the links, wow, they're very nice. The matte sort of brushed finish with a shiny metal finish in between. And this nice kind of medium gray color, titanium color. The clasp is milled, which is, I'll be quite honest, this is the nicest clasp on any watch that I own. So shout out to the manufacturer, the unnamed manufacturer in China. You're doing good work. This is amazing. And then here's a little case. Oh yeah, that's titanium. It weighs nothing. This is a pretty straightforward procedure here. I'm gonna unwrap it. You've seen other YouTubers put these, but you haven't seen them fumble with wrappings quite as much. You've seen other YouTubers install this case on their G Shock, so I think I'll just save you the pain of having to watch it again. I'll explain to you how it's done. Now, G Shock has 4 little screws here. You can see. Switch back to. You can see there are 4 little screws here on the side of the G Shock watch. There's one. There's the other one. And there are 2 on this side. When you remove these screws, the watch body falls right out. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we'll probably cut to it being done already, because look, it comes with a screwdriver, 2 different screwdrivers, and a flathead screwdriver, this screwdriver, Also comes with a pry bar, another one. Pretty nice. Wow, this is a really nice one, actually, for doing the swap. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and just take the case off first. Oof. It's upside down. Okay, so installation took me just a few minutes. It did take me a little bit of time to get these tiny little spring bars out. These are the spring bars that you saw probably in my sped up version that go between the links. Although it's, I think, a good system because even though it was a little difficult, I think the end result is fantastic, and it's way easier than having to slide out a pin or push out some sort of little U-shaped thing like you do on a lot of the Seikos. So overall, great system. Let's see, the quality itself is fantastic. This is a raw titanium. Parts of it have been polished. You could see this bezel right around the edge has been polished to a high mirror sheen, and it looks fantastic. The casting, machining, whatever, I'm not sure what process they use to achieve this, is very good. It's very sharp. There's a little bit of difference, a little bit of contrast here. These are the flathead screws the kit comes with, which I think look really nice. The links themselves, wow, I mean, look at this. They're brushed finish on the outside, polished in between. So as you move this thing, it gets nice little sparkles. And I think it works really well with this medium gray titanium color. It's quite nice. It's really quite a shame that I don't know who made this. I think because it does say protection and G Shock exactly like the original, that the company probably would get into some trouble selling this particular item with the G Shock logo on it. So they probably don't want to be known. However, this, my friends, is this is craftsmanship that you should be proud of. And, you know, company name, even just a list of the names of the people who are responsible for this would be great because shout out to you, you're making really great products. And that's it. This is the titanium G Shock kit from unknown seller on AliExpress. Do a search for titanium G Shock kit or titanium G Shock bracelet, and there will be a number of sellers selling this kit, I believe. And it appears to be super high quality, just like the other kits that are available through AliExpress, except for it's titanium. It's a nice, cool gray color. It's very lightweight and highly recommended. That's it, and watch the next one.